Hello and welcome to another video. New year, finally, and got some more things to install. Let's get to it. In this video, I'll be installing a dashcam and I'll be hardwiring it. So it'll be directly out the fuse box. The way I'm going to mount it, it's going to be running through the A-pillar part here, like inside the trim, and I don't want to stick on the outside, so it's really like hidden. Let's get to it. So the aim is to... I'll explain where the seats are. Well, the aim is to install the dash cam behind the mirror, like up there, and run it underneath. It's not focusing up because the light, but underneath this trim panel all the way along down here, and then somehow get under the dash, and the fuse box lies under here, and so then I can wire it all up. So under the dash you've got the fuse box here, and I'll find out which fuse you need to use and then I'll wire it in and show you on the video. There's no point me showing you how to diagnose and everything. I'll explain to you. So you got your multimeter here, and then you just shove the things into, or the fuse box, like, you know, these metal parts on the fuse, the top and the bottom. And you just want it to turn on when the ignition is on and not when anything else is on, because otherwise it's going to start draining the battery, which is not what you want. So the fuse you want to use is the one up here on the side. Come on, focus there, that one there. So that'll be the one with the 15 amp fuse in, and it should work fine because it turns off when the car's off and it's on when you turn the ignition on. So the way you channel this wire, I'm just trying out now at the top, is you use this tool, the one that came with the thing. You have to take out the sun visor and the soft top clip thing, and then you should be able to pull this back up a bit with the tool like this, and then just seat the wire along it. I'm trying to find out if I can take the mirror out or not, or see if I can do it without it, because I want the wire to come out about here and then have the dash cam hidden out of view behind it there, and then just run the wire along here, down this pillar here, all the way down to that point there, in which then I can just wire it somehow down and around into where I showed you earlier. Let me try figuring this out and I'll tell you how I did it. So I'll remove this trim here on this panel. It's actually really hard to remove, so you have to yank when it's here, yank it down, move it out of the way from this one, and then give it a good tug, because there are 3 clips, one at the top, a pin holding in position, a middle clip, and like a guidance hook or something, yeah, like that. So you need to sort of pull it like outwards, like pull it this way as well as up at the same time, and it should just pop off dramatically and in one go, because I thought I broke it first. So I wired the whole thing up and away, all runs along the pillar. I've even taped it down, runs behind this part trim. I've taken off the little cover from here, so I can I've loosened the 2 screws as well. Taking that cover off is really easy. You just get your spudger tool, put it behind and pop it off like that. It's just so I can pull this trim part up a bit, so then I can put the wire and put the dash cam behind here like that, and then you won't even be able to see the camera, so it'll be completely hidden. Once that's done, I just have to plug it in and just put this wire somewhere, and that's really it. And as you can see, it's fully mounted in. I connected it. You all have to peel off the sticker part. Just make sure it's somewhere where the wiper can clean. Can you see where? It's really hard for it to focus. Can you see where that wiper line is? Make sure it's just below there, so while your screen's dirty, you can clean, and the camera would have a good view as well. And just need to finish off the wiring tucking and run that along there, cover that up basically. You put this bit back in, and I just got to put this wiring away, and that will be it, and we can test if it works properly. And so I put everything back together, sun visor back in, that clips in. It's not too hard, you just have to undo what you basically did. So yeah, just tighten these screws down you might have to adjust these because, well, the soft top latch might be in the wrong place. That's quite easy, just put the screws in. But this clip here was the one that was causing an issue because it kept sliding out. Get some duct tape or something, tape it to the bracket it's meant to stay into, so just so it doesn't move, and then you should be able to push it and click it in first. Do this panel, then do the top panel. I found that easy to do because then it clicks together properly. And also, just a note, just under here there is a part where it sticks out and where the cable was running was causing a bit of interference. You pull the cable close as you can to this edge here, and you see it's a bit too close because this panel here isn't sitting neatly, but it's fine. But yeah, you need to pull it a bit lower because you can't actually get the cable running in this part here, so it has to be right on the edge for just this section here. And yep, run the cable all the way down, and you just got to sort this out. And as you can see, like, all the wiring is now completely hidden away, all the way down to here, and all of this under here. I've just got to pull that up if the camera works, and I'll just bundle it all up somewhere back there and just tie it down so it doesn't rattle. So I'm just going to turn the key here, and I'm going to put the camera so you can watch if it works or not. And does it work? Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll set that up in the meantime, but that's basically the video how to install this. So thanks for watching the video, everyone, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe for more, and maybe another video sometime soon. And also, I MOT'd the car a few days ago, so the seats are back in, and I can do a driving video sometime soon. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.